So today we are going to talk about remake. Remake is a concept like lately it's being used everywhere all around the world. No, not mostly all around the world. I don't know, but we can tell likely in India, particularly where it has been used that remake is concept used to copy some original ideas, right? There are many things that have been remade lately, like movies, songs, then restaurants, even the brands are being remade. Means not in case like remake, they might got duplicate copies. That things that but such things happen like lately. There is nothing remain original in today's world. Like there's nothing that owns the idea. They just copy each other's idea. It's not illegal, but still it's not best. It's not the best to copy someone's idea or even to claim the idea, taking the rights of the idea, making the whole new thing in a different country or even in a different state or whatever. Like if we talk about some examples, we can mostly probably be wildly we could able to talk about movies. Like movies is the best example for showing the concept remake. Like remake is being in Bollywood movies, particularly if we say Bollywood movies, there are like most of them or like half of them are like remake movies. There isn't any of their own idea. Like even the old movies that we think that they are original but they aren't. Like Raoul Rathod, for example, is also a remake of a South Indian movie. Even I don't remember that movie. Even the movie Aisha of Sonam Kapoor is also a remake of a well-known novel and also solely based on that film Clueless of American movie as Clueless. But yeah, there are more films that we think that they are original, but they aren't. Like also Hera Fairy, we usually thought that it is original, but isn't as such. And it came that Hera Fairy is not based, it is is a remake of an South Indian movie. And its next part with Hera Fairy it's not copy or something, but it is loosely based on a novel or a movie of American. So this is a concept been used for lately many years from now. But Bollywood uses this concept for more. Like even the songs are not like their own. Most of the songs are like remade. Like yeah, there are many songs that are remade. Now like lately there aren't like much best songs. There are only romantic songs that are famous, but like other songs that are copied like old, like in 90s songs that were like romantic songs. Now they use that romantic songs as a hip hop song. They make the song energetic or something like that. They make remakes, but there isn't any touch of that movies. The songs are also remade, and it's not even the best. Like if we talk about deeply, like remake it's not such a good concept, but still it is not that bad too. Like the remake has remake of movies also has pros and cons. Pros, if we talk about the movie Arjun Reddy. Arjun Reddy was the world. It was a blockbuster movie, and Vijay Deverakonda's best film of the time, because that movie gave him fame, which that he made many movies like Dear Comrade, etc., etc. But who cares? But after that, that same year was announced that there will be a remake of Arjun Reddy, and Dharma Production claims the rights, and it makes the coming year, Kabir Singh. But that doesn't go flop, and that doesn't it's a bad movie too. If we talk about like Arjun Reddy is also a good movie, is the best. The Arjun Reddy gives more realistic things. Arjun Reddy has this six things going on. Their emotions, their passions are so shown neatly, and it's like you will feel that it's actually you're seeing that a real movie. But yeah, like Kabir Singh is also good, but Kabir Singh also shows a passionate thing about the whole story, and Kabir Singh is best with his songs also. So the songs of the Kabir Singh make the film more the best. So if you talk about the pros of remake, there are good. Like talking about movies, remake is also a good option, but not always. Like recently I have watched this movie Baby John, which is a remake of Theory. We have watched this Theory movie very much time, and still we gone to watch this movie, and it was a disaster. It doesn't, like, it was too copied. It was same copied. It has the same lines, dialogues, songs, everything was same, and nothing was different or nothing was their touch. Like Kabir Singh had, but Baby John didn't. It was not, they was not acting, they were just copying this same act, the same scenes. So they're like, sometimes their remakes are not good, the best. Also the songs are sometimes they make old songs, they make best, they make there are many songs that are really good. So it's not that always that remake is also the best, it's also good. But yeah, but people should make their own ideas and concept, where they should always take the original thing then rather than copying the original one. So that will make them carefree. And like, why they do remake is just like they want to do the same thing but in a different way, or in the same way, but they want to show they want to show it in a particular places more likely. And sometimes it is that sometimes some pictures of South films are like hate, but not that much. But in Bollywood the same movie goes hit, like Drishyam, which we know is more famous. Like, yeah, I don't know, but yeah, it is famous. So remake is not a good also, but not bad also. So it is equally good. But I will take that remake is not a good option. We should come up with the original ideas. So this was about me talking about remake concept. And also remake in restaurants is also there, because like actually remake is duplicate ideas. Like Domino's, Burger Kings are like made duplicate. There are duplicate copies of them in everywhere. If you watch, there are copies of them. So yeah, this was me talking about remake, the concept of remake in like movies and songs, particularly in movies only, but still it's good. Thank you.